Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Armada key battery, updated. Begin by confirming your key uses a CR2032 battery and gather a small flathead screwdriver and a clean work surface. Pry the fob open at the seam, remove the old battery, and note its orientation. Seat the new CR2032 firmly, reassemble the case, and test the buttons and remote start. If the fob still fails, check the contacts for corrosion or consult a dealer. Start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver, a CR2032 battery replacement, and a clean cloth to protect finishes. Remove the valet key and open the fob carefully to avoid damaging the plastic tabs. Note the battery orientation and take a photo if unsure. Replace the battery with the positive side up if that matches the original. Press the contacts lightly to ensure connection, then reassemble the fob and test all functions. Quick recommendation: if you like practical gear, try these leak-proof meal prep containers for easy lunches and spill-free transport. They snap tight, stay odor-free, and stack neatly for compact storage. If this tip helps your car routine, consider them for clean in-car meals between errands. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Common issues include weak button response, remote start failure, or no LED flash when pressing buttons. These often stem from a dead or misoriented CR2032 battery. Double-check battery polarity and clean any corroded contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. If problems persist, try a brand new battery from a different pack to rule out defects. Last resort is to visit a dealer or qualified locksmith for advanced diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.